Hello and welcome back to Lincoln Douglas Debate Fridays. I'm Patriot Contraptions, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Helps me out a lot, and I'll be posting new videos like this every single Friday. Today's video, we're looking at how you can write a strong Lincoln Douglas debate case. There are many methods out there for writing a case, and honestly, when I first got into debate, I was completely baffled. I'm like, what's going on here? I went into a round, no joke, with 3 values. So, this is the method I recommend. It includes 3 parts: 1 value, 1 criteria, and 2 or 3 contingents. It depends whether you're on the affirmative or the negative. Today we're looking at the affirmative. When writing a case, you need to look at your resolution first and foremost. The resolution for this year, I believe, is globalism versus nationalism, and we'll use it for this example case. We're taking the side of globalism. So, what would be a good value for globalism? Well, we want our value to show that when globalism achieved, we achieve this value. So I would choose a value like global peace. When we have globalism, we have global peace, and who doesn't want peace? It's like the ultimate end goal, kind of the war, at some extent. So, we want global peace today. How do we achieve that? Well, we're doing it through globalism, so we need a global interaction, something that globalism does. How about something like international trade? International trade is definitely a global activity. Countries trade between themselves all the time. And so, what does that do? Well, we use international trade as our criteria to accomplish global peace. So the criteria is the means to the end of accomplishing global peace. Now there's these things called contentions. Contentions are probably one of the most confusing parts of a debate case. A lot of times people just go and list a bunch of reasons in them. You're not necessarily supposed to do that. These are logical links, and that's where you get the logical part of Lincoln Douglas debate, is how you connect the criteria to your value. Without logic, you are not Lincoln Douglas debating. So, let's take a look. We have international trade as our criteria. We're trying to connect it to global peace. How do we do that? Contention 1. International trade creates monetary ties between countries. Okay? Contention 2. Monetary ties between countries creates economic friendships. Makes sense. Countries have monetary ties. They're going to become friendly towards one another. Monetary friendships between countries creates global peace. Full circle back around. I showed clearly through 3 steps how you have peace because of international trade through my criteria. So if all of those are met, we should have globalism, and thus global peace, because we're using globalism as the bedrock. That's the method I used to write debate cases. It served me extremely well. And a good point about this method of writing a case, unlike other methods out there, you can easily explain this to a judge and use it to your advantage in a round. Say your opponent is using one of the other more complicated methods, you can go up to your judge during the round and say something along the lines of, "Judge, I have clearly shown you how my criteria connects you to my value. I've given you a logical train you can follow clearly that establishes the resolution as true. My opponent, however, has given you a list of weird reasons with no clear logical links. He's not Lincoln Douglas debate." So it gives you a clear way of explaining your case writing method to the judge in less than 30 seconds. Whereas your opponent may take as long as 5 minutes to just explain their method to the judge. I still don't understand some of the methods I've seen run in rounds, and neither do the judges. And when judges don't understand what you're saying, they don't really want to vote for you. So that clarity of this case writing style is why I believe it is the best method of how you should write a strong Lincoln Douglas debate case. So thanks for watching. Tune in next Friday for another Lincoln Douglas debate video, or Monday if you're into Nerf. I'll be posting a video about Nerf every Monday. So, Patriot Contraptions, until next time, hoping you subscribe, and signing out.